Edo election. REC defends its position, says no political party will ask me to do what is not correct. In Edo State, the upcoming governorship election has sparked controversy surrounding the resident electoral commissioner, Anugbum Onuoha. Onuoha, a cousin of the FCT minister Nyesom Wike, has found himself at the center of a debate over his ability to conduct a free and fair election. During an interview on Channels Television, Onuoha addressed concerns head-on, challenging political parties to present any evidence of wrongdoing on his part. He emphasized his competence and experience, stating, "From my background, I am an associate professor of law. People should now ask if I've done this job before. Yes, I was an electoral commissioner in Rivers State."
Of course, I'm a cousin to the minister. What we should be talking at this time is the capacity. Do you have the capacity? Do you have the capacity to conduct the election? Are you competent enough? Of course, from my background, I'm an associate professor of law. People should now ask, can he do this job? Has he done a similar thing before? Yes, I was an electoral officer in Rivers State, electoral commissioner in Rivers State, RISEC. Nobody has complained. I am coming from the university. I'm not a politician. The mere fact that I am cousin to Wike does not preclude me from being appointed. Am I not a Nigerian? Am I not a Nigerian? What Nigerians should be after is this person competent? Do you have what it takes to handle this job? Those are the issues they should ask. Do you have, is your conscience active? Those are the issues. Nigerians should have gone beyond this level. Should have gone beyond this. Am I from Cameroon? Am I not a Nigerian? So what I'm telling you, those people who are now saying that I'm cousin to, I have been here since last year. I don't want to go further. I don't want to go further. When you refuse to do their biddings, then they will accuse you of many
things. The controversy began when the Edo PDP chairman, Tony Aizegbemi, called for Onuoha's redeployment, citing his familiar ties to Wike as a potential conflict of interest. However, INEC has stood firm, refusing to remove Onuoha from his position. Rotimi Oyekami, INEC's chief press secretary, assured the public that the election would be conducted transparently, urging political parties to focus on their election process rather than Onuoha's personal connections. Responding to the allegations, Onuoha acknowledged his relationship with Wike, but insisted it would not affect his ability to perform his duties. "It is a fact that I'm a cousin to the minister. Before my appointment, I was invited by the Senate. It screened me and I was confirmed. I was sworn in by Professor Mahmood Yakub and posted to Edo." He added, "The mere fact that I'm a cousin to Wike does not preclude me from being appointed. Am I not a Nigerian? Nigerians should have gone beyond this level." As the September 21st election approaches, all eyes will be on Edo State to see how this controversy unfolds and whether it will impact the electoral process. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for further updates on the Edo State election.